Create this text pop-in and glitch out effect. Move the playhead to the position you want to show the text. With the Type tool, click in the preview and type a text. Now with the Selection tool, open up Essential Graphic panel and adjust the properties of the text to your liking. Click on this button to center the text horizontally. Drag this small circle, which is the anchor point, to the middle of the text. Now move the playhead to the start and expand the text. Click on the stopwatch next to scale and set it to 0 to create a starting keyframe. Move forward 3 frames and set scale to 110. Move forward 1 frame and set it to 100. Now we have this pop-in effect, and we can add a pop sound effect to the start of the text to make it better. Now it's time to create the glitch text effect. In the Effects panel, search for VR Digital Glitch and drag it into the text. Move the playhead to the position you want to start the glitch effect. Expand distortion and set color distortion to 100, set master amplitude to 0, and click on stopwatch next to it to create a starting keyframe. Hold down the Shift key and press the right arrow key twice to go forward 10 frames and set master amplitude to 100. With the razor tool, add a cut in the playhead position and delete the rest of the cut. Now search for dissolve and drag film dissolve to the end of the text. Double-click on the transition and set its duration to 5 frames. And now we have it. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.